Hi everyone, this is Frank from XYZprinting, here to show you XYZprinting's newest desktop full-color 3D printer. This is actually the world's first and only desktop 3D printer that will bring you industrial, professional-grade features that will give you 16 million different color shades. And as you can see from the sample here, the color is very vivid, and the printout results very nice. You can print out this chain fabric here. And all of the color that stays on the filament, it's actually waterproof and will be there permanently. And it features an 8 by 8 by 6 inches build volume, includes a fully automatic calibration system, so you don't even need to put your hand in there at all, ever. And also includes a carbon filter in the back to ensure that there's any safety concerns when using this printer inside the classroom. And the price point of this printer is $3,500, a little bit more on the high-end 3D printer side, but you are guaranteed to receive an industrial, professional feature such as a full-color spectrum. And you can find the products on our website at www.xyzprinting.com.